her that taught me in the Bay West to do the free list program.
Yeah.
Anyways, we got talking and he goes, well, I hired Crystal, it just reminds me of your story now. I hired Crystal to
This is
be
the
my host,
kitchen.
whatever, 17 years ago when she was a university student.
All the room.
She was
Basement cost is $37,000
and she ended up
to $35,000. So I think it can be negotiated. It's got a little family room area, mechanical room, furnace, water heater comes with it. Has a radon rough out, and has storage here. Not finished though, and a full bathroom in the basement with a 4-piece and a bathtub with a nice finish. The ceiling is about 8 feet height, and this is the 4th bedroom. If you do choose upgrade option,
Always do kind of that one in between.
backyard. Let's go second floor.
but there are actually back there, and even if, you know, I did.
No bonus rooms. 3-bedroom upstairs with a 2-bathroom. Master bedroom. Ensuite. 4-piece. Here. Basically same finish in the basement. No walk-in closet. However, it's got 2 French door style. Large closet is included. Everything is standard here pretty much, except the kitchen. No, not kitchen, the bathroom. The countertop. It's gonna be over the sink type with a laminate top, but this is upgraded. Can be negotiated. And let's go here. And the second bedrooms. Less than 100 square foot. And another bedroom with a closet. Looks like a walk-in. No, not really. But it's a decent size for kids. And the second bathroom in second floor. Nice finish, cover all the way to around it, so easy to maintain, no more to anything. Very size. And this can be maybe our laundry room with very smart with plumbing, so water can escape if there's any water backup in the laundry machine. And there is a electric plug for your dryer. So given the size, you can only put the stack up unit, and maybe have a little space on the corner there. All right, let's go have a look outside what it's like exterior.
Yeah.
So this is it. So this is actually a duplex unit, but they do have a same exact design for the townhouse. The deposit under 500K is 5% down payment, 5%. That's it. And it's gonna be finished at 2023 August. Such a quiet neighborhood. It's our building here. And they're going to have a school over there, and there'll be a community park and a wetland. And the home association fee is about $500 annually. Let's go to the side of the house. There's a vinyl siding outside in the corner here. And this is the garage over there. Garage usually costs about $25,000 to build it, but this comes with it. Such a nice consideration. And paved alley lane. That's where you park your car. I believe it's 19 feet here and 25 feet inside. not super wide, but I mean, you can buy like RAV4 and maybe a Corolla will fit it, no problem. Too big SUV? I have no idea. I don't think so. No truck, nothing. You gotta park on the street. But again, there's no parking restriction here. So if you have any questions and you want to buy it, please hit me up.